Ooh, a fight to the death. Here we have two birds. Damn, what is wrong with them? Oh, they're fighting because they don't agree with the new fence that the neighbor put up. Wow, look at that. Oh, they're still there. Oh my God, look at them. I mean, they're like, ooh. Wait a minute, are they making out or what? I mean, they are jamming their beaks. One of them is exhausted. You see the birds? Look at the birds. And then we got a visitor down here. Oh, she saw them. She spotted them. I mean, I gotta take a picture of this. This is ridiculous. Ooh, he's stabbing. Ooh, he's stabbing him. Hell, I think they're freaking mating. Are you kidding me? I don't know, that's pretty rough. Shit. It's like, I'm not done with you yet, sucker. Oh, God, I can't watch this anymore. Whoa. Whoa, there they go.